The Sony Xperia One isn't just a smartphone, it's an experience crafted for people who demand more than ordinary. The moment you hold it, you feel something different, a perfect balance of elegance, precision, and pure flagship power. Every edge, every curve, every detail reflects Sony's obsession with perfection. And when that 4K HDR OLED display lights up, it doesn't just show visuals, it surrounds you. Colors look alive, shadows feel deeper, and every frame looks like a scene from a high-budget film. This is display excellence on another level. Performance. It's not just fast, it's relentlessly fast. Apps launch instantly, multitasking flows like water, and gaming becomes a smooth, immersive experience. It's the kind of speed that makes you trust the device without thinking twice. And the camera, that's where Sony steps into its own world. Powered by Alpha Series imaging heritage, the Xperia One captures photos that look cinematic, natural, and emotionally rich. It doesn't take pictures, it creates moments worth keeping. If you want a phone that looks premium, feels premium, and performs like a true flagship beast, the Sony Xperia One is the phone that won't just meet your expectations, it will exceed them. For more premium reviews, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro.